What's up? Poppa up in the house. Yeah, man. So this is the NEX AVH 4201, and I've been wanting this sucker for a minute, and I finally got it for Christmas. So without further ado, let's get this baby in. Yeah, man. We're probably taking this radio out more times than I can count, but for the new subscribers and new people to my channel, welcome. What I want you to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get updated whenever I post a video. So the number one thing to go ahead and remove is this panel right here. Got to pull it out first because it hooks up to this piece right here, which essentially pulls out like that. Then the other side pulls out like that. All right, so that reveals the screws up here, 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 and here. Then this piece pops off like that. Comes down, and then I always just throw it to the side. And then this piece comes out like that. And I just kind of put it like that. There'll be two more screws that's holding in the radio right there, and then two more at the bottom down there. Yeah, man, and there it is. Done had this Pioneer for several years. This is a doable brand. I would not recommend another brand of radio. Pioneer is the best. So now that all the boring soldering is done, got to run a fuse tab to the ground wire on here, and then to the remote wire, amp turn on wire. All right, so we all good to go. We all soldered in and T-tapped right here at the amp turn on and at the ground. That's all the extra wires I need for the harness. So I can go ahead and start tester taping this up, getting it ready for the car. So let's go ahead and presto this and make it look nice and neat so it doesn't look like spaghetti. So now what I'm about to do is see if this thing cuts on so I can update the firmware in it before I wrap up all the cords and make it look neat. So don't really have to plug everything up, but I'm gonna do it anyway. See, and stereo harness. And all the radio harnesses. So, not really concerned about sound right now. Oh, let me plug this USB back to the back of it. This USB extension. Now, one's supposed to be for Pioneer, and then one's supposed to be for Android. I think, let's try the top one. I'm gonna have to read that and make sure. I'm sorry, iPhone, and then Android. And let's hook up all of the harnesses. The inside. Hook all those up. Oh, that's for the satellite. And antenna. This one. That one. And this is the bottom. But you're not worried about that. That don't make the radio come on. So then we got our ground wire. Here. And I think that is everything. Needs to be plugged up for it to come on. Yeah. Let's see if we get power. God! Woo! Ooh, look at that power! Power! Yeah, man. So now I got the harness all prettied up. Got a little like spaghetti. And there's my two little T-taps hanging out. That's for the ground. And that was for the remote. And then this little wire right here hooks up to the video for the backup camera. And then there's a little fuse just in case I need to access it. And then this was already wrapped up, so I really didn't need to put anything on it. So we all good now. All we need now is just to put the kit on. And the kit I'm using is an AI. It's the NDK 738CG. I was using a metric kit, worked fine, but it has a few flaws. It does crack easy. So, pop this center console off. Let me tell you how to pop this off. See, the clamps are in the back, so you gotta unclamp it from the back because the hooks is up front. See, these are the hooks that's hooks into there. So these are the ones that are up front, and then you gotta pull the back out in order to get to that. So that's how you take the center console, roof console out. All right, and what I'm doing So I'm gonna run my mic up here, kind of like how the factory intended it for it to be, instead of putting it over there in the window. Because that's kind of what the mic is gonna look like. Check it out. Clean. Ooh wee. This is what I don't like, the loading up, man. It take all day. Almost about 10 seconds to load up. I don't know if you can turn that warning sign off. I'm gonna show a try. So everything powers up on it. Amp cuts on, you can see the bass knob over there. Right now there's just mids and bass. There's no highs in here yet. Like I said in the last video, got a plan for that. Unfortunately, I can't keep the same settings as the last radio. I'll have to tune this one as well, so. We've got the DD1 and the CC1. But anyways, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.